Right, so today we're going to be doing number 1 in the Ashley Book of Knots, which is the sheet bend. Now apparently it's a way of tying 2 bits of rope together of differing sizes. Structurally it's exactly the same as the weaver's knot, it's just tied different. So it's the same but different, and there you go, I've just done it. It was that simple. To undo it, all you do, pull the loops together and it comes undone. So let's do it again. You make a bite with your thick rope. You get your thin bit of rope, bring it up around the back like that, then poke the thin rope under itself and just pull together, and there you go. It's also a very ancient knot, as apparently it was used by Neolithic people to make their fishing nets. So there you go. Give us a like down below, leave us a comment, subscribe if you want to, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.